Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaykum salam wa barakatuh.
Shaykh, there's a masjid like 5 minutes away from me, and like it's notoriously known for having a jamaat that makes takfir of others. And one of the imams also sometimes once did not let like some Turks lead the prayer because he feared of their aqidah. I don't know if this is like a belief of the Khawarij, but my father tells me not to pray here. And there is also like this message is like 5 minutes away, and there's another message that is sound in Aqidah, but like 30 minutes away. So am I still obliged to pray in this message, even though it's like corrupt in Aqidah?
The norm is that a Muslim should select an imam with a sound aqidah. If the imam does innovation, we know that innovation is divided into two types. One is non-takfiri type, such as celebrating the Mawlid, congregational dua, and the likes. The second is takfiri innovation that deals with things that takes a person out of the fold of Islam. Now, praying behind someone who does takfir to others is a grave sin, because this takfiri imam is part of the deviant cults and sects. So you should not pray behind him, but if you do, your prayer is valid. What I would have done is not to pray on time with the imam, and I wait until the prayer is over, and I come just as the prayer is over, so that I would start a new jama'ah with someone who's not takfiri, and most likely I would be the one leading the second jama'ah, rather than not pray at all or go to a 30-minute away masjid, which is not mandatory upon me, and Allah knows best.